How to use Canva templates on PowerPoint presentation. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can use Canva templates on your PowerPoint presentation. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Canva. Then create a new design or template, choose the presentation one. Then after you create a blank design, you can start importing your templates. So let's say these are the templates available. I'll be choosing this one right here. So this is a pro one, so I'll just go back and use this one. So I'll just apply all 10 pages. And now I have those 10 pages. What I can do is tap on the share button, then download this. Then choose the option right here, that is PPTX, that is PowerPoint document. Then tap on download. After that, the PowerPoint presentation should be downloading, as you can see right here, and it's been downloaded. So after it's been downloaded, as you can see, its extension is PPTX, that is PowerPoint presentation, and I can simply open this up. So open up your PowerPoint presentation and enable editing right here. And after you enable editing, you can then start editing with your PowerPoint presentation. And it's basically that simple, guys, and that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.